Okay, ready? Strategy, tactics.
Squat down.
This is real motorsport.
You fucking squat. More? Yeah, it looks cool. It looks like a real track. Look how fancy it is. When do we turn on the cars?
Okay, so it's time to race again. Finally got the track finished. It's all ready. It's not -20. It didn't start raining yet. It's not dark.
Nope.
So today's the day. We'll give you a little track tour here. This is the new setup. So first we have the start finish, and then we come down the main straight. Down here into the big berm that tightens up and then tightens and then really tightens, and then we go up this little hill here, which can be a little tricky if it's slippery. Around here, down here, very tight hairpin. The key to this is to stay far to the right. If you get nice and far out, then you can have enough room to make it around. And then we come up the main uphill, up the hill climb, around the final corner, and across the finish line. You ready?
Yeah. I already think I'm gonna beat you. There's no way you're gonna be able to do that.
We'll see. We got the spicy white tofu, cozy black tofu, bigger power, less power. We got the paddle tires on there, the Proline mashers on there. So Vanessa's driving cozy tofu. I'll be driving spicy tofu. All right, first we'll do a couple warm-up laps, get used to the track.
Race pause.
We'll explain the rules when we start. Oh God, these tires have no grip.
Sucker.
All right, well, practice lap's complete. This is looking pretty good. It works real nice. It's pretty soft. The paddle tires are definitely working better. So, Vanessa on the cozy tofu, me on the spicy tofu. They're called tofu because they used to have 8.6 initial D bodies.
I'm gonna beat you.
All right. And so what's the rules?
1 lap, race pause, in effect.
1 lap?
Yeah, 1 and done.
How many 1 laps?
Just 1 lap.
No, we can't just do 1 lap.
No, but I'm gonna win. I'm gonna do 1 lap and I'm gonna win. And then if you want to challenge me to another 1 lap, then that's your thing.
Well, it's a 1 camera setup, unfortunately, so it's just gonna be on my head, but I'll try to get some good angles of it. All right, you can say fucking helicopter again. Ha 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 ha!
Race pause. You shoved me off.
I learned a thing or two last year. I knew what you were gonna pull, so I went, oh, go, okay. Here we go, up the uphill. Ah! And I'd say you didn't go off the track. You didn't go off the track, you just got stuck. That means it wasn't a race pause.
What?
I don't know.
You won, but I resent you.
Okay.
Because you bashed me off the track. You pushed me off the track. Wouldn't you get in trouble for that in F1?
No, actually, I took the inside line and you failed to account.
You shot me.
You didn't
Well,
leave me the place.
You bastard.
You have to surrender your place.
No, you don't.
To the inside line.
That's such bullshit.
I'm pretty sure that's how it works. Looks like a murder zone over here. All right, race 2. Ready?
1, 2, 3, go.
Oh!
Bastard.
Race pause.
Bastard.
Okay, race on. Oh, geez. Yeah!
My car is stuck and I hate you so much.
You gotta stay off the inside over here. I guess I have a bit of an advantage having built this track.
1, 2, 3, go.
Stop.
What a dirty driver! Every single race you bashed into me. You son of a bitch.
I'm just not braking when you start to mess up. But it messes both of us up.
Race on.
Race on. Oh! Pause. I'm never getting started on this hill. I think you can call that a win for you.
Yeah.
If you can make it over the line, go. On. That's one for Vanessa. So if I keep winning, we don't have to stop?
No, I have to beat you. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh. Race pause, Yeah, you back it up.
All right, I'll come back here. These tires are so weird in the snow.
It looks like you're just skating.
I know, they don't, it's like a snowmobile. You don't actually get traction, you just get...
Steer the opposite way.
Okay, ready? Race on. Ah! Oh!
Oh! Race pause! You bastard. Oh no, I flipped over. What the hell are you doing?
I am kicking ass is what I'm doing. Oh, yes. I got this figured out. What about you?
I hate everything and I hate you.
All right. So maybe we'll adjust the rules a bit. This time I'm going to follow until there's a spot I can do a perfect clean pass.
Oh, you mean you're not going to shove me off the track into a snowbank?
Clean racing. No intentional contact. Unless,
Fine. Oh, like I did shove you off the track over there on purpose.
yeah, so more of that. We'll see how that goes. We ready?
Yep. 1, 2, 3, go. No, race pause, race pause.
Oh, geez. Okay. Ha 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 ha! That was perfectly clean. You can't complain about that.
Hey, do it again. I will destroy you.
Ha ha! Oh, this is bad. You want inside or outside?
Inside. 1, 2, 3, go. It's different driving down here.
Oh no! Haha!
Cheater, pumpkin eater.
Fail. I fail. That's a win for you.
Is it?
If you can complete it. Oh! Well, that's a double win. That might count for 2. All right. We're starting to chew up this spot pretty good. Okay, how about 3 laps? 3 laps race pause.
All right, fine.
We ready?
Why 3?
Because it's just a good number.
Why not 1?
Well, because then it's like you have a chance to catch up.
All right.
Race pause for you, but not me.
Ooh, all right.
Okay. Race pause for her. No race pause for me. So I gotta be ready to run around or drive very carefully and conservatively. Strategy, tactics. This is real motorsport.
1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, geez.
No race pause for you. I can't turn my way.
Oh.
Race pause. No race pause.
All right, lap 1 complete. Lap 2. Vanessa is still in the lead.
No! Race pause, race pause.
Oh, yes!
Race pause.
Oh, I was doing so good. I got out of the hole.
Back up a little bit. You kept
Okay, ready?
fine.
Thank you. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Driving, but
That was lap 2. This is the 3rd lap. Here.
am I done? Did I win?
Ah! Yes. All right, well, that was pretty good. All right, that was a good win. Good win for Vanessa. I couldn't handle it. All right, I think that's a good format, but I also hate it. All right, ready?
1, 2, 3, go. No, race pause.
All right, I'm backing up a little bit so I have a better chance here. Okay. Oh, yes! Oh, bad corner. Bad corner.
Back it up. Wait, it won't go.
Pause.
Go.
Oh! Oh!
Oh, that was a dirty move. Oh.
You're stuck. Okay, I'll get you out. There you go. I don't know what lap this is. I think that's lap 2.
That was number 2?
Yeah, this is the 3rd one.
Uh-oh.
Okay, pause. This is the final lap. Yeah! Ha ha! All right. Yes. Okay, here we go. Time for some more action.
1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, oh. Oh no.
Getting a little slidey.
I'm starting to go too hard too.
Look, mine's sliding all over the place.
I think this is the last lap. Oh no! Perfect timing.
You were in my way. I couldn't see.
Haha. Oh no! No!
Nice little modest.
Ha 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 ha! Yes! If it was the new line, I win.
I win. I win.
If it was the old line, you win.
Wanted to win.
Oh.
I want to go again.
All right, we'll go again. Things are getting a little heavy from all this snow. Oh man, that thing really has to work hard to get up there. Squat down if you can. Does that?
No, you fucking squat. I'm trying to drive.
Okay, fine.
Squat down.
Okay, ready?
Squat down.
Whoa, it's hard.
You squat.
Trying to get them angles.
Not my problem.
All right, I'm running out of batteries, I think, but that's okay.
Everyone says that.
This may be the final race.
1.
3 laps. I have to get myself, you race pause if you crash, no race pause if I crash.
Yep.
3 laps, winner of the day.
Okay.
All right, and we're starting back here like before. Are we ready?
1, 2, 3, go. Wow. Race pause. I can't even move. And that, we just kept going. That's such bullshit.
Okay, partial restart.
You need to come back, sir. That was such
Penalty
dirty driving.
for bad driving. Okay,
right.
restarting.
1, 2, 3, go.
Pause.
Quite impressive.
I have to be or my truck will get stuck. Like that. No. All right, lap 1, done for her. Coming along, getting some. Oh no! Bad maneuver. Huh. Lap 2 complete for her. Falling over. What the hell? Why can't I go? And away we go with the hill climb. All right, final lap. Can I catch up before she finishes?
I'm rutted. Race pods, race pods.
Okay. Tell me when.
I win.
And there's the win. Oh, it was a valiant struggle.
I'm winner of the day.
I get. Yeah, it's getting real slippery. All right, well, I guess that settles that.
I want to trade cars.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, here we go. This time I am driving Cozy Tofu. Vanessa is on Spicy. Oh! No!
It even made a noise.
Now it has no windshield. All right, well, good luck with that. Okay, one lap. Oh.
Cheated.
Don't get uppity.
Cheated.
Don't get uppity now that you won. Okay, switch lap, loser's bracket. I'm driving black car. You ready? Tell us when.
1, 2, 3, go. This sucks already.
Oh, geez.
Oh wow! Look, I went right over the ledge. Did you see?
We didn't specify any kind of race pause.
Bastard.
This thing is so much easier to drive. These paddles are awesome, but I still got stuck. I think we could do another one of those. Jesus Christ. I went backwards. How is that cheating?
You moved.
All right, you awful woman. Here we go. Come on. All right, race on. Race on. No pause, no pause. Oh yeah, baby. Woo!
Make it up.
Ha! Look at that thing. All right, well.
Wow, did you see that?
Yeah, that was a sweet move. All right, take her home. Okay, you can go get that. I'm not going over there again. You have a snowsuit on. All right, well, we all won because it was so much fun.
I think I won.
Hopefully this didn't all just look like gray nothingness, but it probably did. Yeah, make yourself a track. It's good exercise and it's super fun.
Bring her home.
Cool. All right, we're excellent. Yep, there's the cutoff for that one. Oh, and into the pits. This one still has tons of juice.
Yep.
You can really just give her with this thing. Oh, all right, well, stoked. Worked so good. Those paddles are great. Pretty snowy little fellers. Everything is packed everywhere, but they held up so good. Yeah, these covers, these mesh covers are so good. Look at that, everything inside there.